What's up guys, it's me obviously, and I'm finally doing a skincare routine. You can see the box in my glasses when I go like this, so I'm kind of slouching down a little bit. I'm not trying to. I was trying to stay like this. Anyways, I'm doing a skincare routine, and I recently, I didn't do one for such a long time because I was like, it's so stupid, like there's not much to it. But as I was gathering everything that goes into it, I realized how much I actually do. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay. To start off, I'm gonna show you my face 1 year ago. Now, while showing this, I didn't use Curology, I didn't use anything on my face really, and I used to wear face makeup, and it was just an issue. So I finally stopped wearing face makeup. Not saying you have to stop wearing face makeup to completely clear your skin, because you can still wear it. It's just you have to do a bunch of other things. But this is just what I do. I'm not saying this is going to work for every single one of you. I am no specialist at all. Literally, this is just what I do. And a lot of people have been asking because my face used to be very bad, at least to me. And I know it could have been worse, but to me it was bad. So, to start off, I have always washed my face with this. A lot of people say that this is bad. It's always worked for me, and I'm also too scared because when we would run out of this, like we didn't go to the store for however long, I would use like St. Ives or something that we had under the sink, and I would break out. I've been using this for, I think, 2 or 3 years, and before I didn't really wash my face that much to begin with, but now that I wash it maybe twice a day, I do wash it every night. Sometimes I don't, and I don't wash it in the morning, which I should. I do sometimes just when I feel like it, but I'm just being vague here, and I don't really wash my face as often as I should. But don't wash it too much. Don't do that, because that could irritate your skin as well. And I have been using Curology for a little over 3 years. I stopped using it because I didn't think it was working, and I thought it was just making me break out more. But then I got it again to try it again, and this is not sponsored at all. I wish it was sponsored. I have been using it for over 2 years, and I get it every 2 months. I get the big bottle for every 2 months. You only need like a pump, maybe a pump and a half. And it's your own personal one. Mine literally has my name on it. It shows all the ingredients, and it has my doctor and when it expires and everything. This is the 24 milliliter one. They have a smaller one for cheaper, and they also have a free trial, but then after that you have to start paying. I get the occasional like pimple, like I have one right here, and right now my face is pretty clear. I might have like some blackheads. You only wear it at night, and this is the only thing I get from Curology. I think it's like $40 every time I get it, so every other month. I've been using Curology for over 2 years, and my face was getting better. Then it wasn't fully clearing up, and so my mom was like, okay, what if it's like the laundry detergent? What if it's blah blah blah? And so she got this laundry detergent. You can get the up and up kind, but this is just the kind we get. Free and clear. This is free and clear, hyperallergenic, free of dyes and perfumes, and dermatologist tested. When we started using this, that's instantly when my face went clear. Like my face literally got clear within 2 weeks of using this. So if you see your face clearing up but it's not clearing up, try free and clear, because my skin is so sensitive to literally everything, and if you have very sensitive skin, I just recommend this. They have it, you don't have to get like the Purex kind. You can, like I said, you could get up and up. And I also use these sometimes. I don't use it all the time. You don't have to use this, but if you use beads, I use these ones. Yeah, I don't use them all the time, but when I do, I use this one. And then when I wear makeup like I am right now, I don't wear face makeup at all. I refuse to wear it since freshman year. I just take off my eyeliner and mascara with the micellar water. It's so easy to use, and just don't get it in your eyes and you'll be fine. I still drink coffee and caffeine up the ass. Like I still drink it every day, every single day. I have a Monster. I have a Red Bull right here. It's not gone, but it's almost gone. I drink espresso every morning, maybe twice a day. Some people do cut out caffeine to get clear skin, but personally I didn't. I've been drinking coffee for over 4 years, and caffeine in general. Not that I'm bragging, but I just do, and my face doesn't really react to that, in my opinion. Obviously I do have the occasional breakout, mainly right here, or maybe like one on my forehead or in my hairline or something. But this is mainly from hormones and like my period, or if I have like a test or if I have a project or something, I'll have like a pimple right here or like something because of stress. So if you're stressing a lot, I don't know how to fix that. I stress every single thing. One last thing that I do, I have been taking apple cider vinegar for 4 years, like the liquid, and recently I changed to the pills because it's been 4 years and I just can't get used to the smell, the taste. Sometimes it'll make my stomach hurt, and so I just stopped, and I'll maybe drink it every now and then, but I get the apple cider vinegar pills. These smell like complete ass. They smell so bad, but for a split second of swallowing this pill and smelling it for less than a minute, I will literally stall. I will do laundry, I will do the dishes, I will do everything but take apple cider vinegar before I go to bed. I take it an hour before bed so that I'm not laying down in bed like nauseous, but so yeah, I take these, and when I don't take it, it throws off my pH, and I do break out more. One time I didn't take it for like a week, and I had like 4 pimples. Not that that's like a big deal, but like I did break out, and my pH was off. That's one of the main reasons I take it, because of my pH. My body has just gotten used to it, so when I don't take it, it gets gross. It's not fun. So I will be taking this forever. Didn't want to switch to the pills for a really long time. I've had these for like 3 months, and I refused to switch because I was scared that it was going to throw off my pH and I was going to feel gross. But yeah, this also has other benefits like bloating when you're first taking it, but I don't know. I don't really care now. I just take it for my pH and for my skin. Yeah, it's not that many products, but that's just what I do and what I've always done. Like I said, to be vague, I don't really wash my face twice a day like I should. I wash it at night. So I try not to overwork my face anyways. I should wash it in the morning. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'll wash it in the afternoon. I don't know. I don't know what else I should be covering here. Who, me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you drink an aggressive amount of water.
Well, that's all I drink, so think of how much I drink a day.
Exactly.
I don't know. Like, if I were to guess, like, 3 of my cups, the black one.
Yeah, that helps with skincare, so I would say that.
Oh! Okay, so I'm gonna leave that in. Puma just told me to talk about that. I don't drink soda. I do eat a lot of sweets, which isn't good, but I don't drink soda. I only drink water. I will drink about 3 of these a day. It's a Bubba cup from Walmart. I just covered it with stickers. I didn't want to, but my mom got a black one too, and we kept mixing them up, and so I just put stickers on them. This is Angela. Anyways, so I drink a lot of water, like Puma said, an aggressive amount of water. That's all I drink. I don't drink soda. I will maybe drink cranberry juice if we have it. Too, like if you're drinking soda and like juice a lot, and if you eat a lot of sweets, like I'll eat sweets, but only when we have it. Like I'm not gonna like crave it and like binge over it or anything like that. I hope this was helpful to you in some way. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave them below and I will answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!